To talk about upcoming pattern and weather warnings. So, start from weather warnings. So, there's gonna be 5 to 10 centimeters of snowfall local. It's gonna start from today to tonight. There's going to be lake effect flurries combined with wind gusts of 60 miles per hour, and the wind will increase this morning. The blowing snow will be most pronounced in open and wind exposed areas. So the wind gust 60 I'm going to say like this. So the wind gust in like 60 miles per hour will lead to blowing slow today and this evening will increase. The wind will increase this morning. So let's talk about the next city, which is Wyerton, close to. So there's gonna be 60. There's gonna be strong wind gusts of 60 kilometers per hour. The blowing snow will be whatever. So there's gonna be 20 to 40 centimeters snowfall, and everything else is same. So let's do Owen, not doing Owen Sound. So we do Port Elgin. Should be somewhere close to Southampton. It's gonna be 20 to 40 centimeters of snowfall, and it's gonna be whatever. So this gonna be whatever. The whole thing is whatever. So, but it's gonna continue today into Friday night. The snow falls. So the morning actually. So let's double check wire time again, and then that's today into Friday night. So orange was today to today night. So let's do final cities. So 20 to 40, whatever is everything else is the same. So Watertown we did, Port Elgin we did, Hanover we did, Collingwood. Don't need to. Watertown, Lions Head. So that was Lions Head, Whole Bay. Need to do everything the same Lions Head, Whole Bay. So we don't need to check like Lions Head, Whole Bay. So because it's already done by Watertown. So let's do Midland. Midland, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salt Lake Beach. So there's gonna be 20 to 40 centimeters of snowfall. It's going to start from today all the way to Friday. Everything else, oh, except this. There's gonna be snow squall is expected to weaken Friday evening. So there is no other things. So let's look at on the beach. So it's gonna snow squall is gonna go to today and Friday. So let's look at on the beach actually. So it could be anywhere and then close to. So everything else is the same. So let's look at Salt Lake Bay. Everything is same for sure. So including Midland. So let's do. There is no other cities. So let's look at the pressure pattern. You might find out for the precipitation pattern how much snow it is. So 7 p.m. January 22nd, 2026. There is nothing else. So let's go to 7 p.m. Oh, we didn't do it properly. So this 1012, 1000, okay, we didn't take. So 1020, 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 24 hours after that. There is 1036, 1032 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour. When I did that was 1028, but it's awful sudden here. Let's go to 7 p.m. January 24th. That's one January 23rd. So 1000 and something, 1040, and there should be another person near Southern Ontario. There should be no pressure. And this 1036 that doesn't count. So then let's go to 24 hours after that. So January 25th, the coldest. So 1020, 1016, 1024 millibars of pressure. So let's go to 114th hours. 7 p.m. So 1024, 1020, 1016, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's look at the precipitation pattern. Not doing 10 p.m. because otherwise it skips like 8 a.m. also. So let's do stuff from 1 p.m. So in Niagara Falls City, Whitehan, Lionshead, Bay, Boyelton, Hanover, Bombay, Sunny Beach, Salabay, Mainland, Adela, Georgia. Those cities are gonna Melbourne. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. So, like I said, Bay, Whitetown, Boyelton, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunny Beach, Salabay, Mainland, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to, let's keep start looking. So, 7 p.m. So 3 hours is 7 to 10 p.m. is 6 hours, so don't need it actually. So Lion said, "Oh, Bay, Watertown, Boyelton, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Stanley Beach, Sada Bay, Midland, Ulala, Berry, Georgia. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is should we do 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. is a little bit too far. It could be. So Lionshead, Obey, Whitetown, Boyelton, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunny Beach, Salabay, Midland, Orla is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Parts of Niagara Falls City also counts 0.25. So let's go to 7 a.m. So now the Earth's tilt is getting further away from the dark. No, it's going closer to the sun. The Earth is going to get slowly warmer out the northern hemisphere. So I'm gonna say it again actually. So this one, the Earth's tilt in the northern hemisphere was closer to the sun for now like January 22nd to then like December 21st. So it's gonna be the Earth, northern hemisphere is gonna be warmer. No, it's going to get brighter actually, not warmer because it's still cold this month of the year still. So let's start. So line said, Obey, Whitetown, Boyelton, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Salabay, Midland, Orlella, Barrie, Georgia, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, down to Toronto. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Okay, it's gonna take a while, including parts of Niagara on the lake, which is 10 a.m. So, Lion's Head, Obi, Whitetown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley Beach, Saddle Bay, Midland, Orla, Barrie, Georgia, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, down to Toronto, parts of Niagara on the lake. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, snowfall. So let's do 1 p.m. The line said, Obey, Boyton, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Saddle Bay, Midland, Lullaby, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Oakville, parts of Scarborough, parts of Niagara on the Lake, parts of Oshawa. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. So, line said, Obey, Watertown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Tan Beach, Sada Bay, Midland, Orla, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Mississauga, Brampton, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Borderline. Parts of Scarborough, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Niagara on the Lake, parts of it. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow during Google. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So line said, Obey, Whitetown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley Beach, Salabay, Midland, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, some gonna use it differently. So down to Toronto, Richmond Hill, parts of Scarborough, Mississauga, parts of it, Brampton, Oakland, Niagara on the Lake, Oshawa, Uxbridge. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. So which is 10 p.m. So 2031, it's gonna be 2001 to 2030 climate normal. So what else in Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Thunder Beach, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Uxbridge, Oakville, down to Toronto, Parts of Niagara on the lake, parts of Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is not doing at 1 a.m., 7 a.m. So, Collingwood, Port Elgin, Hanover, parts of Niagara on the lake. Those cities are gonna get some Palm Beach. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 a.m. So, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, possibly. Parts of Niagara on the lake, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. So Port Elgin, Hanover, not doing that. So Niagara on the lake, parts of it, it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Surface is stuff for the extra. There's nothing like ignore it. So 4 p.m. there is snowfall. So line said or Bay Boyles in Hanover. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Oh, let's start again. So Whiteton's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, which is 7 p.m. Oh, too far. So 7 p.m. So line said, oh, Bay Whitetown Boyles in Hanover is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 p.m. So let's do line said, oh, Bay Whitetown Boyles in Hanover is going to get some Bombies and Beats is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Hamilton, Burlington, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Suffolk, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. So Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Suffolk, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Studio Cobourg, Peterborough, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Collingwood. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Suffolk, Oshawa. It's different. So Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Midland, Orlando, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. 2.5 is in Oshawa. 2.5 millimeters of snowfall is in Oshawa. Let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. So Hamilton, Scarborough, Downtown Toronto, Richard Hill, Newmarket, Suffolk, Orangeville, that's Brampton. Brampton, Orangeville, Oshawa, not doing Uxbridge because it's not pink yet. So Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Mississauga, Oakville, we didn't that. So Peterborough, Cobourg is 2.5 millimeters snow for Belleville. Lionshead, Obi, Whitetown, Boyles, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Saddle Bay, Midland, Orlando, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. Sunny has changed. So Hamilton, Burlington, Mississauga, Brampton, Oakville, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Suffolk, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, possibly Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next. Lionshead, Old Bay, Whitetown, Boyles in Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Saddle Bay, Midland, Orlando, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Dosage are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. So London. So Scarborough, Stouffville, parts of Scarborough. Stouffville, Witcham Newmarket, Brampton, Orangeville, Lashua, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belfast. Barry, Babylus, Georgina is gonna get some parts of Niagara on the Lake. Hamilton, those cities are gonna get some parts of Oakville. Those cities are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Mississauga, Oakville, parts of Oakville, parts of Scarborough, Niagara Falls City, parts of Niagara on the Lake. Those cities are gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next stopper, which is 7 a.m. So, line said, obey wartime boils in Hanover, Collingwood, Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach, Sada Bay, Midland, Rolla, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, parts of Scarborough, parts of Stouffville, not parts of it. Parts of Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 a.m., which is 10 a.m., January 26th. So, line said, obey Boyertown, Boyelton, Hanover, Collingwood, Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach, Sada Bay, Midland, Orla, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills. So, parts of Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, those, Coburg, Peterborough, those. It's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, it's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall, London. So, let's go to next hour. Different parts of Niagara on the Lake 2.5 millimeters of snowfall, but it's going to go away. So let's go to 1 p.m. So Hobbs Bay, Whitehead, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bomb Beach, Sada Beach, Sada Bay, Midland, Orla, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1:14. Not yet. So let's go to next hour, which is 1:04 p.m. So, start from Collingwood. Collingwood, let's start again. So, it's gonna take a while actually. So let's go to Collingwood, Barrie, Orla, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Midland, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 1:14 hours. We're going to 1:17 this time. So Collingwood, Barrie, Beverly Hills, Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City, Belleville. It's going to get some Coburg. It's going to get some possible no 100 doses are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 for 17 hours. Oh, 100 this time. So many Beverly Hills is gonna get so possibly in Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including parts of Niagara on the Lake and Niagara Falls City, some parts of Niagara Falls City. So let's go to there is no next hour. Let's look at total precipitation for 24 hours. This will do twice. So 8 p.m. So 2 millimeters of rain in Whitehand, 3 millimeters in Collingwood. So Niagara on the Lake, the heaviest it could get to 3 millimeters, lightest it could get to 0.7. Niagara Falls City 0.6 more. Some of it is gonna be 0.7. So Brampton 1 millimeters, Mississauga 2 millimeters, 1 millimeters. Downtown Toronto 2 millimeters, Mississauga 2 millimeters. Scarborough is mostly 0.76. So Stouffville is gonna be 0.6. Richmond Hill is going to get some going to get some 0.7. So let's do orange walls. So orange walls 1 millimeters. New market 0.7. So whatever. So already done. So our song is gonna be 0.7. Uxbridge is going to get some 0.7 millimeters. Hope's Bay going to get some 3 no, it's millimeters of rainfall. So line says it's gonna be 2 millimeters of rainfall. So Salt Lake Bay is going to be 7 millimeters. Bomb Beach is going to be 7 millimeters, 6 millimeters. Thunder Beach is 4 millimeters. Midland is going to be 4 millimeters. So Lilla is going to be 4 millimeters of rainfall for actually. So Georgina is going to be 3 millimeters. Beverly Hills is going to get some 1 millimeters. But you're going to get some 2 millimeters of rainfall. So let's do Betty again. So Betty is actually 2 millimeters. Beverly Hills is actually 1 millimeters of rainfall. So London doesn't count. So Port Elgin is gonna be 2 millimeters. Hanover is gonna be 3 millimeters. Could be. So we did like Cinco. So let's go to next hour, which is January 24th. And then we do January 22nd again. So actually 10 p.m. So Whitetown is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Owen Sound, whatever. Collingwood is 2 millimeters. Lionshead OB is going to be 1 millimeters. So Bomb Beach, Sunny Beach is going to be 1 millimeters. Barely 0.7. Beverly has nothing. So Niagara on the lake, the heaviest 2 millimeters. Niagara, it's lightest it could be 0.7. Heaviest in Niagara Falls City 0.7 to 0.2 is the lightest. So maybe an average should be in the middle. So Port Elton is gonna be 2 millimeters. Hanover is actually going to be 2 millimeters of rainfall. So that's Hanover. Let's go to next hour. Oh, goes to 0.2 millimeters. So let's go to next hour this time. So which is 7 p.m. So London 6 millimeters, Brampton 7 millimeters, Suffolk 7 millimeters, down to Toronto 8 millimeters, Scarborough is 8 millimeters, Oshawa 7 millimeters, Newmarket Orangeville with 5 millimeters, Uxbridge 5 millimeters, Peterborough 4 millimeters, Coburg 6 millimeters, Belleville 4 millimeters, Niagara Lake 7 millimeters, Niagara Falls is 8 millimeters, Hamilton 6 millimeters, Oakville 6 millimeters, Mississauga 7 millimeters. So Whitetown is 2 millimeters, Collingwood 3 millimeters, Bomb Beach 2 millimeters, Thunder Beach 2 millimeters, Southern Beach 2 millimeters, Midland for 2 millimeters, Outer London 2 millimeters, Barrie 3 millimeters, Georgina 3 millimeters, Beverly Hills 3 millimeters. Port Elgin, Hanover is going to be different. So Port Elgin 1 millimeters, Hanover could be 2 millimeters, actually could be. So line said OB is going to be 1 millimeters. So we did almost all the cities, unless we missed one city. So Alula is going to be 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters. So let's go to next hour for this time. So the actual, which is 7 p.m. So January 26th. So London's 5 millimeters, Whiteham 3 millimeters, 6 millimeters, Collingwood. Brampton, Stouffville, Uxbridge is 7 millimeters, Scarborough 7.5, Downtown Toronto 8 millimeters, Mississauga 8 millimeters, Sherman Hills 7.5, Hamilton 9 millimeters, Oakville 9 millimeters, Niagara on the Lake 12 millimeters, Niagara Falls City is going to be 13 millimeters, Newmarket, Orangeville is 6 millimeters, Oshawa 9 millimeters, Peterborough 8 millimeters, Coburg 10 millimeters, Belleville 12 millimeters. So, let's do Barry. Barry is going Orlilla, Barry, Georgina, and Babylon is going to be 6 millimeters. So for Elgin, Hanover is going to be 3 millimeters. Let's look at Hanover. So Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach, Sotheby, Midland is going to be 4 millimeters, except Midland is 5 millimeters. So Hope's Bay is actually 3 millimeters. Line side is going to be 2 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour. So there's going to be 3 extra hours, but that is in cat because it's going to skip like 3 hours. It's going to go to directly 10 p.m. already before the precipitation patterns. So let's go to next hour, not hour, but next precipitations. So winter precipitation, 24 hours. So we need to change. So let's do 7 or 8 p.m. So 1 by 2 is in Brampton. So Mississauga is 1 by 2. Mrs. Brampton is 1 by 2. Down to Toronto 1 by 7. Scarborough is going to be 1.5 centimeters. Stouffville 0.5. Newmarket 0.4. Orangeville 0.5. Uxbridge 1 by 0. Oshawa 0.6. Peterborough 0.4. Belleville, no, Cobourg 0.8. Niagara, no, gonna say mean average of everywhere. Niagara Falls 0.6. Hamilton 0.5. Oakville 0.5. The lightest have used to get 1.8. So what predicts the lines of Arch at 2.4, Collingwood to 1.3.0, 3.2 in Boreals, and Hanover is going to be, let's see the darkest colors. So it's going to be for the third. It could be for, no, 2.5 centimeters of snowfall is in Hanover, so it could be 3 or 4. So line said Obey is going to be different. So line said is going to be 2.4. Hope Bay is actually 2.6 centimeters. So Thunder Beach is going to be 6.7. Bomb Beach is actually 4.9 centimeters. Salt Lake Bay is 3.9 centimeters. Midlands also is going to be 30.04 centimeters. Lilla is going to be 4.1 centimeters. So Barrie is going to be a little bit off. So it's going to be 2.2 centimeters. Jordania is 2.5 centimeters. 2.5. Beverly also is going to get some 1.3 centimeters. 1.4. So let's do next hour. Let's do actually next hour. So which is 8 p.m. So a little bit less snowfall. So Whitestone is 1.1 centimeters. Calling me 1.6. River Niagara Falls is 2 hours. So Niagara Falls City 0.6. Niagara on the Lake 0.9. Snowfall 0.1. Newmarket 0.3. Orangeville 0.2. Possible. Orangeville gets nothing possible. So Barry is gonna get some 0.3 centimeters. So Beverly Hills gets nothing or it gets 0.1. So Hamilton is 0.2 centimeters, Oak is 0.3. So line said Obey is going to be 0.9 centimeters of snowfall. Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach is going to get some 1 centimeter of snowfall. It gets 0.9 is actually in Thunder Beach, but it could be 1 centimeters also. So let's go to Port Elgin. Port Elgin is 2.1. Arnhem is going to get, let's do Arnhem again. So Arnhem is actually going to get some 2 centimeters of snowfall. So it could be. So let's go to next hour, which is a 7 p.m. So y times 1.6. Line said it'll be the mean average is going to be 1.3 centimeters, but it could be less. More actually. Collingwood is 1.2.8. Boyles and Arnhem is going to be different. For Boyles is 1.4. Arnhem is going to be 1.5. So Collingwood is going to do Collingwood again the whole thing. So Collingwood is going to be 2.8 centimeters. So Brampton, no, Palm Beach is actually could be the mean average. Going to be no, that's actually the okay. What don't need to change anything. So Bomb Beach is actually is going to be 1.7 centimeters, 1.6 centimeters. Thunder Beach, Bomb Beach, South Beach 1.7. Midland could be 1.7. Orla could be 1.7. Petty is going to be 2.8 centimeters. Georgia is going to be 2.9 centimeters. Webley is going to be 3.3 centimeters. So Midland is going to be already done. So Hamilton's 5.8 or 6.8 Niagara, like Niagara Falls City 7.7. Oakville, like this is 5.8. The heaviest could be borderline something else. So it's going to be 6 centimeters of snowfall. So Mississauga is going to be 6 centimeters. Actually, it could be 6.8 centimeters. So it's very low, 6.9. So Brampton 6.9 centimeters, 7 centimeters in Mississauga, 6.8 centimeters in Brampton. So downtown Toronto 7.7. Scarborough is also 7.7 centimeters. Stouffville 7.2 centimeters. So it's gonna be around 7 centimeters for Scarborough. So Richmond Hill is going to be 7.2 centimeters of snowfall. Newmarket Orangeville is 5.5 centimeters. Oaks Ridge is 4.5, Arthur is 7.0, 2.8 is in Peterborough, Coburg 6.2, Balboa 4.3, so London, whatever. So let's go to next hour. Let's actually go to next hour. It is 1/14 hours. So the end of the month run. So 3.3 is in Brighton, 5.6 in Collingwood, 5.2 in London, Brampton 6.8, Snowfall 7.0, Scarborough is gonna be 7 point whatever, it's going to be 7.3, down to 7.6, Mississauga 7.6, Hamilton 9.0, Oakville is going to be 9.0, 9.1. So Niagara on the Lake 11.6, Niagara Falls City is 12.6, Oshawa is 8.6, Newmarket Orangeville 6.2, Uxbridge 7.0, Peterborough 8.4, Coburg 10.3, Belleville 11.5. So let's do Hope's Way. Hope's Way could be 3.0. No, it's going to be 2.6 centimeters. Line said it's going to be 2.3 centimeters. Port Ellison's is going to be 3 centimeters. Hanover is going to be 3.1 centimeters because it's closer to the darkest. So Palm Beach is going to get some 4.4 centimeters of snowfall. It could be so the same as Midland. Not Midland, but Midland is going to be 4.7 centimeters, 4.8. So done. Palm Beach, Southern Bay is going to be Thunder Beach, Southern Bay is going to be 4.3 centimeters. So this is almost to the end of the total snowfall. So this is the not the end yet. So let's go to air temperature patterns. So just wait 10 seconds so I can edit the video. Air temperature patterns. So January 22nd, 2026. So let's start from 3 p.m. So London's -6, Whitehall -9, Collingwood -9. So Boyle's -8, Hanover is going to be -9. So line set obey it's going to be -8 degrees. Depending, okay, fixed line set. So everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be -5, Hamilton -5, Oakville -5, Brampton -7, Mississauga -6, Downtown -6, Scarborough -7, Stouffville -8, Newmarket Orangeville -8, Uxbridge -8, Oshawa -7, Peterborough -7, Coburg -5, Balboa -6. So Salt Lake Bay is actually closing -7, so -6. So Thunder Beach is going to be -6. So Palm Beach is actually -7 degrees. Midland -7, Orla -7, Barrie -8, Georginia is going to be -8, 7, Beverly Hills is -8, 7. So let's correct Lions Head. So Lions Head is going to be -9 degrees. So let's go to the next tower on the same as Sun Cities, which is 7 a.m. So I choose like 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. because for the 7 a.m. 3 p.m. because the coldest and warmest. So it's -16 London, -16 Whiteham, -14 Collingwood, Port Elgin, -14 Ottawa is going to be -16 degrees. So now doing line set right away. So let's do Scarborough. Let's do that last. Niagara on the Lake -12, -14 Niagara Falls City, Hamilton -12, Oakville -12, Oshawa -13, Uxbridge -15, Orangeville, Newmarket -14. Peterborough -14, Coburg -11, Belvoir -12, Brampton -13, Mississauga -12, Downtown -12, Stouffville is gonna be -14. Don't do Richmond Hill yet. It's gonna mix up. So Solid Bay is -13, Midland's gonna be -14 degrees. Could be. So Palm Beach is actually going to be. Let's do Palm Beach again. Palm Beach is actually -13. Thunder Beach is going to be -11. So now we can do Lake Singles. So Palm Beach then finally Scarborough. So Aurora is going to be -14. Barrie -14. Georginia is going to be what temperatures? So it's going to be. It's again what is 40? What is 40? So -13 is in Georginia, actually -12. So Beverly Isles is going to be -14 degrees, or it could be -13 degrees actually. So actually -14 is the most common. So Lion's Head or Bay is going to be -14 degrees, -15. So now we can do Scarborough where we last. So Scarborough is going to be -13 degrees, including Richmond Hills. So let's go to next tower, which is January 3rd. 23rd. So London minus 19, Boyles minus 17, Hanover is going to be minus 17. Like I said, Obi is going to be minus 18 degrees, Collingwood minus 17 degrees, Whiteham minus 18 degrees, to the Whiteham. Bombay, Sunby, Saturday, Midland is going to be minus 17 degrees, Midland is going to be minus 18 degrees, Solana minus 18 degrees, Barry is going to be minus 18, Georgia minus 17, minus 18. 17 is Beverly Isles. So, okay, let's do Beverly Isles again. So Beverly Isles is minus 17 degrees. Newmarket, Orange Falls minus 17, Stouffville minus 13, Scarborough minus 16, Downtown Ontario minus 15, minus 16, Brampton, Mississauga is minus 15, Hamilton minus 15, Niagara, snow in the mean average zone everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 16 degrees, Uxbridge minus 17, Nashville minus 16, Peterborough minus 18, Cobourg minus 15, Balboa minus 15. So, Oko is minus 16, 15. So, let's go to next hour. Now we can do easier. It's going to take a minute actually, so ignore London. So, let's go to 7 a.m. Cold temperatures. So, minus 21 in Whiteham, minus 22 is in Collingwood, London minus 24, Boyles is minus 18, Hanover is going to be minus 21. Could be heavy, colder. Sunny Market Orange was minus 70, 27, minus 30, so for Scarborough could be minus 30, close to. Downtown Toronto minus 26, Mississauga minus 26, Brampton minus 28, China is going to be close to minus 30 degrees, Oslo is minus 26, Uxbridge minus 28, Peterborough minus 30, Cobourg minus 35, Balboa minus 31, 21, Hamilton 20, 17, Oakland minus 17, Niagara on the lake minus 20, no, it's gonna be minus 17, minus 820 is in Niagara Falls City, so line said Obey is going to be somewhere, it's going to be minus 15 degrees, so minus, line said Obey, so solid base minus 25, Midland is gonna be minus 26 degrees, 20, no, it's gonna be minus 18 is in Thunder Beach, minus 19, Palm Beach is gonna be minus 22, 23 degrees, 22 degrees, that's in Palm Beach. Some other those. So Barry is going to be minus 27 degrees. Jordania minus 22. Beverly is also going to get some 28, minus 28. So minus 20 something else. So it's going to be minus 26. So Lola's done. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. A little bit warmer. Not warmer, but the average temperature is warmer, so higher. So let's go to 3 p.m. So London, whatever, minus 13, Whiteham, Collingwood, minus 13. Let's discover later. Southampton, minus 13, Mississauga, minus 13, 12, Downtown Ontario, minus 12, Stouffville, minus 13, Newmarket, minus 14, Orangeville, minus 13, Uxbridge, minus 16, Oslo, minus 15, Peterborough, minus 18, Cobourg, minus 14, Balboa, minus 19, everywhere minus Niagara Falls, which is average time, so it's going minus 14, so Hamilton minus 13, Oakland minus 12. So Port Elton minus 12. Hanover is going to be minus 12.5. Lines ahead, OB is going to be minus 13 or 14. Minus 13 most of the time. So Bomb Beach, Dun Beach is going to be mostly minus 15. Solid Beach minus 15. Minus 16 is in Midland. Olala is going to be minus 16. Mary minus 17. Georginium is going to be minus 13. So actually minus 14. Beverly Hills is going to be minus 15 degrees. So it could be 1 degree off. London, whatever. So let's go to Scarborough. Scarborough, Richmond Hill is going to be similar temperatures. So it's going minus 14. So let's implement of Scarborough. Let's choose. So let's go to the next hour, which is 7 a.m. So setting is changing. So Whiteham is 18, Collingwood minus 16, London minus 17. Boyles minus 16, Hanover is going to be minus 18. So Brampton minus 13, Mississauga minus 11, Downtown Ontario minus 11. So Scarborough has to be between those. So do that later. So Newmarket also minus 14, Uxbridge minus 15, Oshawa minus 14, Peterborough minus 19, Cobourg minus 14, Balboa minus 18, everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 13, Hamilton minus 11. Oakville is going to be whatever minus 10. So it could be. So line said Obey is going to be minus 16 degrees. So Solid minus 16, Midland is going to be minus 18. Or minus 20. Georgina is going to be minus something. So it's going to be minus 13 or 14 degrees. So Beverly also is going to be minus 16 degrees. Verity is going to be minus 16 degrees. Bombi is going to be minus whatever. It's going to be minus 16 degrees. Thunder Beach is going to be minus 15, 14. It's going to be minus 14 degrees. So it's only one place. Few places. That's wrong. So minus 13 is actually orange walls. So let's go to next hour. It's going to take a minute actually. So because my business city extra cities. So let's actually go to next hour. It is 3 p.m. So London, whatever. So white time minus 11, Collingwood minus 13, Port Elgin minus 10, Hardware is going to be minus 7 degrees higher. So Newmarket Orangeville is going to be minus 13, Stouffville minus 12, Scarborough, whatever. Minus 8 is in Delta Toronto, Mississauga is minus 9, Brampton minus 9, Victoria Hill, New Star, Scarborough later. So Uxbridge minus 14, Oshawa is minus 12. Peterborough minus 15, Coburg minus 13, Melbourne minus 14, everywhere Niagara Falls minus 11, Hamilton minus 9, Oakville minus 9, so Starling Beach minus 12, Dunedin Beach is minus 12, Palm Beach is actually going to be minus 11 degrees, Midland minus 12 degrees, so Lions Head or Bay is going to be minus 10 degrees. So let's go to Orange was again, so minus 13. So Richmond Hill and downtown, no, Richmond Hill and Scarborough actually, so it's going to be minus 10 degrees, but it's going to be minus 10 something, 10 something. So it's going to be minus 10 degrees, so that's the middle. So that's the Mary. Mary is minus 13, Georgina minus 13, Mavlias is minus 13, Order is going to be minus 12. So let's do, that's why it's 13. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. different day. So minus 14, whatever. Y times minus 12. Collingwood minus 14. Borealis is minus 12. Hanoi is going also minus 12. So the inside of it is going to be minus 12 degrees. So Y times. So Palm Beach is going to be, let's do Palm Beach is minus 12, 15 degrees. Thunder Beach is going to be minus 13 degrees, minus 35. Starlight Bay minus 15, Orilla, no, Midland is going to be minus 16 degrees. Orilla is going to be minus 17, Barrie minus 17, Georgina minus 16, Beverly is minus 16, so the sort of Lake Simcoe. The Lake Simcoe mean average is actually going to be minus 16.5. So everywhere Niagara Falls minus 10, Hamilton minus 13, Oakland minus 13, Oakland again, that's so I did the warmest coldest by you find out the warmest and coldest in the world by using Mississauga temperature. So Mississauga is gonna be minus 15, Brampton minus 15, Downtown minus 15, Scarborough whatever, some minus 16, so full. Market Orange Falls minus 16, Uxbridge minus 17, Oshawa minus 16, Peterborough minus 16, Coburg minus 15, minus 16 Belfast. So we did Bombies, Thunder Beach, Salaby, Midland, all of that. So whatever, those cities. So Scarborough slash Switchale is going to be minus 15.5 degrees. So let's go to 3 p.m. Going to take a while actually. So which is 4 p.m. So White time minus 13, Collingwood minus 12, Port Elgin minus 13, Hardware minus 13, Lineside OB is going to be minus 13 degrees. So Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Salaby is going to be minus 12 degrees. Midland could be minus 12 degrees. Orla minus 12. Georgina is going to be minus 12 degrees. Minus 12 is in Beverly Hills. Barrie is going to be minus 13 degrees. Stouffville minus 13. Newmarket minus 13. Orangeville minus 12. Brampton minus 7. Mississauga minus 11. Downtown minus 7. Oshawa minus 12. Uxbridge minus 13. Peterborough minus 13. Coburg minus 7. Belleville minus 11, Niagara Lake minus 9, Niagara Falls City is minus 11, Hamilton is minus 10, Oakville minus 10, Mississauga is going to be minus 11 degrees, Scarborough is going to be minus 11 degrees, Richmond is also minus 11. So So maybe close to the end of the video. So this is the end, or this is the actual end of the video. So